Well, look who found his way over to Bob's cage. I'm going to visit Bob. Go up the ladder. No. Oh. You hear Bob hiss? At least there's two layers between. There's a layer here, so unless he gets down on the side of the cage, he can't get within contact. No pictures off the walls. No mirrors off the walls. No. See if I can get you closer here. He knows what no means, don't ya? Alright, I think you should come back to your own cage. Come on. Off on. There you go. Off. No, not on the light. No. No. There you go. That's it. You get into too much trouble over there. Now. Oh, time for you to go to bed. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you? Yeah, goes over in this corner. We got them out together for a few minutes. Yes. Such a pretty bird. Oh, what a pretty bird. Yeah. What a pretty bird. Hey, Bob. Bob's so busy, isn't he? Yes. Bob is so busy. Busy Bob. What's that, Bob? Bob just ran over the zebra. There goes Bob. Yeah. What? You play with your toys. You got lots of toys. What are you chomping on?